Here's a common misconception on the SAT. What is the solution to the given equation? A lot of people want to solve across and go, x squared this. You can bring this up as a negative. This, if you brought this up, this would be like negative 25 equals 36. And I guess on some level, if you were to say negative 20 x squared, I'm sorry, x squared minus 25 equals 36, because when you bring this up here, this becomes negative. I suppose you could, but then you're going to have to take this to the other side. You're going to get a positive 25 and a positive 25, which is going to give you an 11, and that's going to give you a 61. Then you're going to have an x squared equals 61. You're not going to have such a perfect square. And in order to get rid of this square, you're going to have to put a square root bracket over this, which is 61. And then the square root of 61 is going to give you some number like 7.8. And then you're going to be off, and then you're going to guess. So this is absolutely not the way to do this if you want to obtain a correct answer. Okay, but that's what a lot of people have been inclined to do. A lot of people who, like all of us, forget their math skills. We don't want to do this. We don't want to do this at all. Okay, what we want to do is we want to cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, as shown here for you, you're going to go x squared times 1, which is going to give you x squared times 1, and you're going to go 25 times 36. The math was done over here first for you. 0, this 3 makes this 15, this 3 makes this, it's over 1, then you get x squared equals 9. And what do? X equals square root of 900. You're having a problem going, oh my God, what's square root of 900? Hey, square root of 9 is 3. So the square root of 900 with 2 more zeros must have 30 in it. And simply put, x equals 30. And that's one of your choices, and that's correct. So, let's not get these kind of questions wrong on the SAT. Okay, here's another thing. People start getting confused, and they start forgetting what this says. This says 3 more, then plus. More means plus. You're adding. Your mom and dad, if you're baking something, say add some more. How much does it cost to rent this place? $10? No, add more. $15? Add more. $18? Add more. No, it's $20. So you're always adding. That's what the word more means. So 3 more, then 8 times a number. And it doesn't matter if it's x, although in this equation it's x. It doesn't matter if it's x, if it's y, if it's 8. Just put some variable down for 3 times, then a number. And then let the language take care of you. Equals 83. As it is, this is x. So since they give you a choice on the SAT, here it is. So which one of these is like this? Well, this says 3 times the number plus 8. So that reversed it. This says 3 more than. This is the reverse. This says 8 times the number equals 83 plus 3. Don't get confused. This says 3 times 8 times the number equals 83, completely off. This is your only choice. Now, people say, but that's not what this says. Well, yes, it is. This is a positive 3. This is an 8x. So you have 8x. They just switched it around on you to play around with you. Just like how you do when you're playing games. Okay, they're playing with you. They're trying to see if your mind is listening and looking at what's going on. Now, once you see this, it's quite easy. It's quite such an easy problem. Okay, and so these are just some extra instructions what to do, eliminate what's not there, just stuff, this and that and other. And I wrote this here. And I wish those of you who are taking the SAT in the next month very much luck. Let's do this. This is quick. Please don't get this wrong. If x over 8 equals 5, what is the value of 8 over x? X over 8 equals 5. Cross multiply. 8 times 5 is what? 40. What do you have to do on the other side? Because if you dance on one side, you have to dance on another. That's what I call cross multiplication. What you have to do is you have to go 1 times x. This is x. X equals 40. Most people say, hey, answer's 40. No way. It asked you a second part of the equation. What is the value of 8 over x? So what do? Make life easy on yourself. Stop making life hard. 8 over 40 equals 1/5. Good luck on your SAT.